I chose ACI Learning Tech Academy because Takasha made me feel welcomed and convinced me that the academy is for people of all ages that really want to break into different IT fields. After that Zoom call, where Takasha learned about my aspirations and professional background, she quietly sought funding for me. Meanwhile, I started a full-time project. And then later in August, Takasha informed me that she secured funding for the Computer User Support Specialist program, which would have served as a strong foundation into cybersecurity. The program ran from September to November, and I had the opportunity to earn 4 certifications after passing 5 exams: the ITIL 4 Foundation, CompTIA A+, CompTIA Network Plus, and CompTIA Security Plus. The catch? I had to attend a live instructor training 5 nights per week with almost no absences allowed. And I would be one of the oldest students attending. Even though at this point I had already found full-time work, I was not going to pass up this incredible opportunity and immediately enrolled. I was so grateful to ACI Learning, for there was no way I was going to give anything less than my best effort. So how did I do? I passed all 5 exams on the first try in 5 months flat. I completed the Computer User Support Specialist program. It serves as a solid foundation before moving on to advanced cybersecurity concepts. My experience training at ACI Learning was wonderful. Although I have a programming background, I started with zero knowledge on service desk infrastructure, computer hardware, networking, and security. Every instructor was not only knowledgeable about their respective subjects, they happily engaged with the students. I am certain that I was the most annoying because I questioned and debated about everything. But it was only because I really cared about what I want to learn. Every single instructor humored my curiosity and each kindly shared pearls of wisdom that I took to heart. I am currently an IT consultant for the University of Texas at Arlington, working with a team that provides technical support for different departments. As a member of this team, I provide the soft services such as training, marketing, data analytics, web design, and web app development. Both during and after my training with ACI, I immediately applied the knowledge at work, such as following the A+ troubleshooting steps to fix Wi-Fi connections, printer issues, or other common computer complaints. I'm exploring batch script writing, studying network setups, and moving forward when writing applications, security is now a priority. The training has definitely expanded my knowledge and helped me break into other disciplines that were once mystifying. If I could say one thing to the staff at the Tech Academy, it would be that you all helped this graying professional feel wonder and joy again with information technology. Each day after work, navigating through traffic to get to class, there was Ruben at the front desk cracking jokes to reset everyone's mood. It's this little routine that started my evening right every single time. Thank you, Lee, John, Gina, Jalen, Dan, and Robin, for putting up with me and sharing your insights. There are now aspects of cybersecurity that I never appreciated until hearing your own perspectives on them. I highly recommend to all students to take advantage of the mentor workshops and supplemental exam preps. Eric, James, Lauren, and Chase, you all helped me fill in gaps so I could feel confident to take on each exam within such a short period of time. Courtney, Janice, and Makisha, I appreciate your team with helping me rewrite my resume and teaching me the current trends in the interview process. My name is Don Voxuan, and I'm an ACI graduate.